In today's video, I'll show you how to make $10 per minute simply by watching videos, which is one of the simplest ways to make money online. The first step is to watch the video. The second step is to give it at least 60 seconds of your time. The third step is to cash out your earnings. That's all there is to it. Today, I'll show you the single most effective website for making money online by simply watching videos. This website is available from anywhere in the world and is entirely free to use. Now, before I go on to explain how you can do this, I want you to type in "I'm from this country" and I'd like you to leave a comment down below. That way, I'll be able to pinpoint your country so that in the future, I can be certain that every video I release is intended for you. So please leave the name of your country in the comments section below. Also, don't forget that I'll be providing special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple what other people are earning. So make sure to stick around and keep watching until the very end. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, now first I'd like you to go to this website, and don't worry, I'll share this secret link with you in a bit, so stay tuned. This website is completely free, secure, and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows, and doing offers. However, for the purpose of this video, we will just concentrate on watching videos because it's something that you already do every day anyway, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the watching TV option. Now allow me to explain to you how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to properly understand how this website works. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the home page and enter your email address and create a password, and just click Sign Up Now. You can also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up for an easier experience. Now, once you log in to your account, you can check how much money you can make on this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500, and you could be the next. These individuals are all earning money on this website by watching videos, completing surveys, or doing offers. The best part is that there are a large number of videos available here, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there's an endless opportunity for you to earn money here just by watching videos. So, to get started, click Watch on the left-hand side. After that, you'll see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Ludably on them. And if you hover your cursor over them, you'll see their offer details. Next, select Ludably by clicking this Start button. You'll then be taken to this page where you can select the video category. You have the option of selecting from the categories of food, DIY, or random videos. On the right-hand side, you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If I select food, for example, I will be taken to this website. You'll need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password, and just click Sign Up. After creating a Ludably account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click on this one right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that would be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, as I said earlier, I'm gonna give you a bonus tip on how to maximize your income. Now, you can watch as many videos as you like on different tabs at the same time. That way, you'll be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. With that, you'll be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right-hand side. Another bonus tip I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. If you'd like to save data, you can set it to the lowest video quality possible so you'll be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective and you can use them right away to double, triple, or even quadruple your earnings in a single day on this website. Now that you know how to make money on zoombucks.com by just watching videos, and yes, zoombucks.com is the website of our special tool of the day, I'd like to show you another way to make money with this site, and that is by filling out surveys. On the left-hand side of your ZoomBucks dashboard, you should see surveys which you can click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5 or much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offers you the most amount of money. After then, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account with the company of your choice and begin taking as many surveys as you like. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.